Are you suffering from a toothache? It's not just about the pain, it can affect your ability to enjoy your favorite foods. Before heading to the dentist, let's explore 11 natural remedies that could provide you with immediate relief. 1. Salt water. Our first remedy is a simple saltwater rinse. It acts as a natural disinfectant, making it harder for bacteria to thrive and cause toothaches and decay. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and use it as mouthwash 3 to 4 times a week. 2. Hydrogen peroxide. If you're not a fan of salt water, try hydrogen peroxide. It reduces inflammation, kills bacteria, and can even help with bleeding gums. Remember to dilute it with water before use. 3. Cold compress. A cold compress can work wonders for toothaches by tightening blood vessels and reducing pain and inflammation. Apply it to the affected area for 20 minutes every few hours. 4. Peppermint tea bags. Peppermint tea bags aren't just for drinking, they can also provide toothache relief. Apply a used, slightly warm tea bag to the affected area for soothing relief. 5. Garlic. Garlic's antibacterial properties can help alleviate toothache pain. Apply crushed garlic paste directly to the affected tooth, or chew a clove or two. 6. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract has alcohol that can numb toothache pain. Apply it to a cotton ball or your finger and gently rub it on the affected tooth several times a day. 7. Clove. Clove oil, diluted with a carrier oil, can reduce inflammation and act as a natural antiseptic. Apply it to a cotton ball and place it on the painful area. 8. Guava leaves. Guava leaves have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Chew fresh leaves or use a guava leaf mouthwash to ease toothache discomfort. 9. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass, rich in chlorophyll, can be used as a mouthwash or consumed to relieve toothache pain. It's packed with healing properties. 10. Thyme. Thyme oil, diluted with a carrier oil, fights bacteria and tooth decay. Apply it directly to the affected tooth or use it as a mouthwash. 11. Toothache plant. Discover the toothache plant, a natural pain reliever you can grow at home. Chewing it produces a numbing sensation, but be cautious if you're allergic to daisies. When to see a dentist. While these remedies offer temporary relief, don't ignore the importance of visiting a dentist. Dental issues can worsen if left untreated. If you have a fever, difficulty breathing or swallowing, or signs like swelling, seek immediate medical attention. Prevention. Prevention is key. Maintain good oral hygiene with regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. Incorporate tooth-friendly foods like cacao nibs, fatty fish, and leafy greens into your diet while avoiding sugary and alcoholic items. Toothaches can be unbearable, but these natural remedies can help ease the pain temporarily. Remember, dental health is vital, so seek professional care when necessary. For more tips on maintaining strong teeth, check out our other videos. Have you ever experienced a toothache? Share your story in the comments below.